Hello, this is Diane from Spotahome Valencia. Today I'm going to show you this bedroom in 4-bedroom apartment. The rest of the flat you can see in the other video because it has been checked before, but this room has been occupied, so I'm going to show you it now. So in this room we have the entrance through the corridor. It's room C in the flat, and we have double bed, mirror on the wall, bedside chest of drawers with a lamp, also a desk with another lamp, and standalone wardrobe here in this part. We have this, and here we've got shelves for our things. Also, it's exterior room with this view. Okay, so thank you very much. That was Diane from Spotahome Valencia. See you next time.